Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Baser. Our guest on the set today is Dr. Stephen Strong. He's an internist with Internal Medicine Associates of Westport, and we're talking about alcohol use disorder. The Ask the Doctor question for today is, what is alcohol use disorder, and what is its impact on health? So we all sort of, drinking is part of our society. Most of us do it. We've even heard that small amounts, moderate amounts are healthy. What is alcohol use disorder, and what kind of health problems are we worried about?
Right. So you're right that alcohol use is definitely has some positive effects on people's health. Alcohol use disorder is when alcohol use starts to interfere with somebody's function in society, generally speaking, and when it starts to control the patient as opposed to the patient controlling the alcohol. That's sort of an easy way to put it.
So it interferes with job, but it can be interfering with family life.
Interfere with family life, personal life, responsibilities, anything like that.
So it's interesting because that's a very common psychiatric construct: is alcohol use, any disorder becomes a disorder when it interferes with your life.
Right.
What kind of things do we mean about interfering with life?
For example, if people were to have a responsibility like picking up their child from work or from school, and they were drinking and they fell asleep and they forgot about it, that would be one option. Or if somebody were pulled over for a DUI, that was never planned, obviously, so that would be a big problem. Or if somebody were to spend more money than they had to buy alcohol, and then they were broke and had to pay off debt for that purpose, something like that.
So it's really, this is what people should look for. And by the way, we've run out of time, but there is no stigma for a medical stigma. You should get help.
Correct. Definitely get help. No stigma, at least certainly not around most doctors these days, not myself included. And it is so prevalent that we all understand that it's a part of our lives and we need to, work through that.
And so this is really important. We have run out of time, unfortunately. I want to thank my guest, Dr. Stephen Strong, for joining me on Health Talk today. And thank you for watching. Please share your questions and comments with me at healthtalk@nuvancehealth.org. Love to hear from you. We'll see you next week on Health Talk. Remember to drink responsibly, and if you have questions, please see your doctor. Bye-bye.